Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a little something different for you today. This is a 2009 Traditions Pro Street Custom. Pretty badass bike. Got a 113 RevTech motor in it. Mikuni carburetor. Got a Baker 6-speed, right side chain drive, wrapped exhaust. Pretty sweet. Lots of really nice molding work done on this bike. It is a hardtail. A 280 rear tire on it. Tail light Frenched into the rear fender there. That's a battery tender lead we put on. You might want to hide that. Open primary. It's got the through the bar cable and wiring set up on it. Inverted forks. We put a new tire on the front. Well, actually, I don't guess we did. It looks like it's pretty new, but I don't think we put that on there. Maybe we did. I believe that's something that'll come off there. It looks like it will. It's just got a few little spots on it. Got the air dam down low there. Oil pressure gauge in there. Notice where the fuel had touched the paint up here. I believe that's supposed to go down, maybe not. But it's yellowed a little bit right around where the fuel cap is. Got just a couple of minor little spots there. Really put together nicely. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. Replaced the intake seals on it. Put a brand new battery in it for you. Bike runs good. Got a pretty sweet security system on it. It's this card right here. It's just like a credit card. You put it in your billfold so that when you sit on the seat, the bike will crank. When I crank it, it's gonna fall off. I'll probably need to sit down on the bike. Turn a little switch here, right there. Runs good. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. And we're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.